In this video, I will show how to delete header and footer in Word document. So we can see we have this document and every page has header and footer. So to delete this header and footer, click on Insert. In this header and footer section, click this drop down for header and click on Remove Header. Same click on Insert. In footer section, click this drop down and click on Remove Footer. So this is the simple setting to remove header and footer in one document. Again, you need to insert. So insert, and here you can select any style. You can change style. Same process, you can insert any style of footer with line, without line. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.